What is up YouTube, Stephen Harvey here from Plan to Profit, and obviously we are well into 2020, so Happy New Year to everyone. And so I'm going to be bringing you the 5 best ways that you can be making passive income heading into 2020. Now before we jump into it, if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel already, hit that subscribe button down below. It's simple and easy. And if you do enjoy the video, don't forget to smash the like button at the very end. Now these different methods I've listed from 5 down to 1, so 1's going to be at the very end, so make sure you stay for that. However, coming in at number 5 is drop shipping, okay? Now the reason I've listed drop shipping at number 5 is because I don't consider it truly passive income because it does require a lot of work up front and also managing the store. So unless you hire yourself someone like a VA to actually fulfill orders and take care of the store, then it can become more passive that way. But I have listed at number 5 because the rest are a lot more passive than what this one is. Now, if you don't already know what dropshipping is, basically it's where you run a store selling products, and those products you don't actually have in stock. So you don't have them in hand at all. So it does pretty much eliminate the risk of having stock that can't sell. And so what you do is you actually advertise the product, and then when that product sells, you will then go to the supplier, order that product, and have that supplier send the product directly to your customer rather than them having to send it to you and then on to the customer. Now, how most people do this is they will run a store through Shopify, so that's probably the most popular platform. Actually, we'll leave a link down below if you want to go to the website and start your free trial. They have a 14-day free trial down there. But you run a store. Once you've created the store and you've added products to it, so that's another thing. You want to choose your niche before you actually go look for products. So you could be in the fitness niche, you could be in gaming niche, you could be in men's fashion niche, anything different niches like that. So I suggest choosing one that you actually enjoy doing. That way you're really going to be motivated to run this store and grow it. So then you want to head over to AliExpress. That's probably the most popular platform that people use for their suppliers. And then you want to find those things on AliExpress. So we could look for a keyboard, we could look for the mouse. Once you've found it, you then add that product to your store, and then you got to advertise it, okay? So how most people can do that is through Facebook advertising. You can also do it through Instagram, both with your Instagram ads, or you can actually find an influencer. So maybe someone in the gaming niche that has a really popular Instagram page. You can actually ask them and pay for an ad to be displayed on the Instagram page and try and get sales or visitors to your website. And then finally, once you have made a sale, you then want to fulfill the order, okay? So you'll find what the order is, you then place that order through AliExpress, and then get that supplier to send it directly to the customer who has put in their shipping details. Now, obviously, the way you make money out of this is you'll charge a small percentage up from what you have. So if, say, a mouse will cost you $20, then you might sell that product for almost $50. But like I said, at number 5, because there is quite a lot of work that needs to go into it, but then once you have it all up and running and making money and you can actually afford to hire someone, then it can really become passive income. Moving on to number 4 now, and this is something that I'm already doing, and that's investing in the stock market. Okay, so if you haven't seen my videos on my channel, you can go check them out. I do a Sharesies series where basically I'm making my way up to $10,000 and then probably past there. But every 100 subscribers I get, I put $100 in. Every 1,000 subscribers, so when we do reach 1,000 subscribers, of course, then I'll be putting in $1,000. However, with the stock market, you will see small growth, or it depends on how much you actually invest up front. So if you invest a whole lot of money up front, then you'll see greater returns. But if you are only investing maybe $10 a week, $20 a week, you won't see greater returns. But what happens is it's going to do something what we call compound interest. So then it's going to snowball, basically. So if you have any dividends, any portfolio appreciation, as well as your contributions, all those combined are then basically going to create the snowball. And then down 20, 30, 40 years down the track, you're going to be a whole lot well off. In fact, most people can actually retire just by doing that and living off the dividends that they earn from their portfolios. So if you are from New Zealand and you're watching this video and you aren't investing in the stock market, then I will leave a link down below to Sharesies. So it is a New Zealand owned company. It is a New Zealand only platform as well to sign up. So by using that link down below, what's going to happen is you're going to get $10 and I'm going to get $5. So that promotion is only valid for a limited time. So if you're watching this video at a later date and you have missed out, then I'm sorry about that. But if you do still want to support the channel, support my portfolio, I will still get $5 every time you sign up to it. But the stock market really isn't as scary as what some people think it is. It is actually really easy to do with the Sharesies platform. It's super simple. In fact, you can just sign up, and then once you've signed up, you can even see on the homepage as well, which I'm showing on the screen here, you can see how much you could get if you invested this much per week in the last 5 years, and that is in the New Zealand top 50. So $10, $50, $100 a week, you can be up quite a lot. And the New Zealand top 50 is what we call an ETF. So it's actually a collective of the top 50 companies in New Zealand. You also have this for like the US 500 as well, the top 500 companies. So these ETFs generally are lower risk, because what happens is one company goes down, one company goes up, it sort of balances itself up compared to if you just throw all your money into one company. If that company suddenly goes down, then your portfolio goes down with it. Moving on to number 3 now, and that is by selling a course. So with selling a course, you do have to put in a lot of work up front, and obviously you have to be knowledgeable in what you're teaching, okay? You don't want to be teaching people stuff that you as well don't have no knowledge in, okay? So once you are quite knowledgeable in something, say you're doing online personal training, you want to teach people how to do certain movements or diet or write their own nutrition plans, you can then create a course out of that. And the best way to do this is by creating a video course. So sit in front of a camera, record some videos, write up your different modules, and start teaching. Now, once you've actually put in that work up front and you've created the videos and created the course, you can then go ahead and advertise and sell the course. Now, 2 platforms that I recommend are Udemy and Teachable. So Udemy, I'm going to show here on the screen, is probably one of the most popular platforms. It is a platform I've actually used to learn from. The awesome thing with Udemy is that they also do advertising for you. So they go onto Facebook and they advertise other people's courses through Facebook, so you'll get more recognized. And the same goes with Teachable. Both platforms are really easy to use. You just create an account and then upload your course, and then what's going to happen is when you sell your course, they're going to take a certain percentage from that course sale to pay for using their platform and holding your course on it. And the thing I love about creating a course is once you've done it at the very start there, you put all that hard work in, all you got to do now is just make those sales, and that's your passive income as it comes in. Moving on to number 2 now, and this is actually pretty much joint first with the other one, so I couldn't decide which one I wanted to have in first and second, but this one is affiliate marketing, and you'll see shortly at the end of the video, it can go hand in hand with number 1. But affiliate marketing, if you don't know what that is, basically it is advertising somebody else's product or their service, and then you get a commission every time you generate a sale. The most popular way of doing this is people create what we call blogs. So you create a website, so you can do so with BlueHost. I'll leave a link down below. But you create a website and you obviously choose a niche that you're interested in, so you're motivated. So it could be in men's health. And then you start writing articles. So it's completely free if you put in your labor at the start. And then every time someone clicks the link and heads through and buys that other person's product or service, you're going to get that commission for it. So one of the most popular platforms to find products to advertise is ClickBank. So you can go over there. If I scroll down as well, we can see there's a whole lot of different categories, or in this fact, we can call them niches. So we have education, games, fiction, languages, health and fitness. So you can choose something from there, and then once you've chosen it, it's then going to come up with hundreds of products that you can actually advertise and promote yourself. Now, another platform you can use is Amazon Associates, and I'll show this on the screen right now. But their affiliate program is basically you're making commission from the different products that you advertise. So an example of this, if you look in the description below, I have links to Amazon, and they actually link to things like my camera, my microphone, and a few other things, I believe, as well. A lot of other YouTubers do this as well. They list them in the descriptions. Or you can even create, for example, like the start of the video, I said gaming. If you create a gaming blog, you could then advertise different gaming mice, gaming headsets, gaming keyboards. And then once you've advertised all those things, when someone uses the link and goes to Amazon and they buy it, they're going to pay out a certain percentage of commission to you. Now, coming in at number 1, and that is what I'm doing right now and what you're looking at right now, and that is YouTube. Now, YouTube, 100% free platform, okay? So you can record and upload videos free and grow your channel. Now, the most recognized way of making money through YouTube is through the ads displayed on videos. So you do get paid out per 1,000 views for your videos. Now, to qualify to actually display these ads, you have to have a minimum of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Another way you can actually make money with a small channel is by doing number 2 of our list. So you can do affiliate marketing. Like I said, I have the links down below to my Amazon. I also have a link to that Sharesies, so when I get that $5 there, that's a perfect example. And if you do have a small channel, that's probably one of the best ways to actually make money at the very beginning. And then when you do qualify for their AdSense program, that's when you can start making money on there. And I actually know a YouTuber, I'm going to show him on here. His name's Franklin Hatchet, and he's making a killing right now on YouTube. He's in fact making $16,000 per month just from ads displayed on his videos. So it's pretty incredible. It does depend on what different category your channel is categorized in. So let's say, for example, if you're on a gaming channel, you're probably not going to get the same kind of return per 1,000 views as what Franklin Hatchet is getting. And that's because they divide you up into how likely you are able to convert your audience. So in the personal finance niche, the audience is higher converting. So we're talking, for example, my average age group watching these videos, they're about 25 to 30 years old. So they're the type of people that have the money to actually be able to afford, or they have the money to put into banks. So banks will pay top dollar to actually get someone to their bank and create an account, open it up, everything like that, and you'll actually get paid out for bringing them that customer. However, with gaming, the majority of people that watch gaming videos are kids. And no offense to the older ones, I in fact watch gaming videos as well, but that larger chunk of audience is actually under probably 15 years old. And so if you're under 15 years old, you don't really have the type of money to spend on top dollar things. And so they call them less converting compared to the higher converting adults. I did mention tying affiliate marketing into making money with a small channel, but then you can also do what I said at number 3 is make a course. So we can see on Frank's channel right here, we have his affiliate training. So he made 2 courses right here. One is affiliate and one is e-commerce, which talks more about drop shipping. And so of these 2 here, he put in a lot of work at the start making the videos. Then he's probably been running these for 2 years now, maybe 3 years for his e-commerce training. And he's still generating probably $100,000 per year, maybe more, just by doing this. However, guys, those are my 5 best ways of making passive income for 2020. Now, if you do enjoy the video, remember what I said at the start, smash the like button. And of course, in the comments below, actually tell me what is your favorite way of making passive income. So you don't have to be doing it right now, but of those 5 that I listed, which one do you think you're going to go out and try, okay? That is all from me today, and we'll see you guys in the next one.